Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or remove Windows Copilot from Windows 11 computer. First method is right-click taskbar, click taskbar settings. Turn off Copilot. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Copilot. Create new D-word 32-bit value named as turn off Windows Copilot, change value data to 1. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.